Hello everyone, it's Cynthia, your host. Welcome back to today's show. Today we're talking about a hot topic in cruising, saving money. That's right, not paying extra and still enjoying plenty of drinks while you're on the cruise ship. Let's talk about it. If you're a cruiser who enjoys having drinks while you are on board the ship, but you don't like laying down that hefty price tag, $55, $60, $70, $75 per person per day and more on the more popular cruise lines, and everyone who is 21 years or older must pay for that in your stateroom, well, then this is the video for you. I'm about to give you some cruise ship alcohol hacks that will keep the bubbly flowing and your money in your pocket. Let's get started. Our first tip is a free drink tip. We're headed over to the art auction. Most cruise lines have an art auction, and in their art gallery, if you take a stroll through there, you at least get a glass of free sparkling wine or champagne. You have no obligation whatsoever to bid on anything, and you can politely leave when ready. And here is another good thing to note. The ship has multiple art auctions during your cruise. Our next hack starts in the casino. If your cruise line has a casino, head on over there and get yourself signed up for their Players Club. Now, each casino will have a Players Club, and it'll be called something different depending on which cruise line that you are on, but sign yourself up, and as you play in the casino, make sure you use your card, and as you play and build up points, you are also building up for free drinks. That's right. Once you have a certain level of points, and they're different for each cruise line, but once you reach that certain level of points, complimentary drinks come your way. It's time to do it again. We're talking about loyalty here. Cruise lines will reward passengers who are repeat customers. They're going to give you perks for your loyalty, and one of the things that you can expect are complimentary drinks on your cruise. Now, depending on which cruise line you're on, but once you take that second and subsequent cruise, they will invite you to complimentary parties, deck parties, brunches, loyalty member exclusive only gatherings, and give you that free gratis alcohol that we're talking about on this video. We're sticking with the free strategies for the next one. Bring your own alcohol on board. Yes, it is true. The majority of cruise lines do allow you to bring 1 or 2 bottles of wine on board in your carry-on. Now, make sure you do check the cruise line policy before you do this, but the majority do allow that. So once you have your own wine, ask your room steward for wine glasses. That way you can pour your own wine and take that around with you. You can take that into the dining room, and no one is the wiser if you purchased that from the bar or you brought it yourself. This next hack is all about saving money on your packages. When you're on board and you're looking for some inexpensive drinks, the thing to do is look for their specials or look for happy hour. Yes, on board cruise ships, they are looking for ways to entice you to continue to keep the drinks flowing. So on certain days and at certain times, they will offer you happy hour specials and drink specials. This could also include such things as mixology classes that are on board ship, first night specialty dining reservations that offer you a free bottle of wine for stopping in for the first day of the cruise, as well as get-togethers, such as if you're on a group cruise and you have group meetings that offer welcome aboard mixers and offer you free drinks for that first time. So there are opportunities to get those drinks for free or half off. Now, before I take you to the last and final hack for this video, I want to take this opportunity to let you know if you're finding any value in this video or you would like to support our channel, you can always give us a super thanks. The button is located directly underneath the videos. And also, one of the biggest ways that you can support the channel is to subscribe. Click down on that subscribe button. Tap on the notification bell. That way, when we bring new videos out, you will be notified right away. And also, give us a like. All right, on with the show. And finally today, we're talking about the shore excursion. That is right. There are so many shore excursions that are available on the majority of cruise lines that offer you free drinks, a booze cruise, or drinking demonstrations, or taking you to the plant where they show you how they distill tequila in this case. And then you're able to drink all of the tequila that they can pour into these little cups. And believe me, they can pour a lot. This is one way to get free drinks, learn about the process on how the alcohol is made, meet the local people, and have a wonderful time. There you have it. Here are the cruise drink hacks that can either get you free drinks altogether or a reduced price on your drinks, because not having to buy that drink package can save you a lot. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you at the next adventure.